Hey guys, welcome to HM3150. This is a project course that will run the duration of the entire semester. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what that means. And basically, we're going to spend the first couple of weeks getting situated, getting organized. And I don't know if you've ever heard the phrase go slow to go fast, but that's what we're doing. You're going to spend some time reviewing the cases, collaborating with your groups, and then you'll be working on your project with an outline, and then you'll be submitting your project. So the project has three components. It's a case study paper, and then a presentation about the paper that you wrote, and then a handout that accompanies the presentation. So I'll be giving you more information about each component as the term goes on. But in the meantime, we're going to get started. You need to review the different cases that are available. That information is posted in the week 2 content. And be sure to respond to the thread, the welcome to instructor email thread that's in our class. And then just be kind of looking around, familiarizing yourself with the course. Next week, week 2, you'll want to let me know if there's anybody in particular that you really want to work with or don't want to work with. I don't need to know why you do or don't want to work with somebody. Just let me know. I can't promise that I can accommodate that, but I will consider it. And then after groups are assigned, you'll work together to select a case. Once your case is selected, you'll work together to assign tasks. So you're going to have a team charter. And then your next submission will be your case study outline. Then once your outline is done, your very next submission is actually part 1 of the project, which is the case study paper. After that, you'll submit the presentation about the paper. So that's where you pretend you're presenting your case study to your senior executives at your organization. And then you also have a handout that would accompany that. So again, I will give you details about each of the major components as we move along, but I wanted to at least give you an overview of that. Thanks, and please let me know if you have any questions.